In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to correctly install a bed mat. Obviously, it's pretty straightforward how to do it, but I want to share with you some tricks to get it right and to get it to sit nice and flat. The reason that is because once you get it, it's rolled up like this. You got to unroll it. First of all, this is upside down, so let's flip it upright. Now you'll notice that mine doesn't sit perfectly, and that's because I already have a bed liner in here, and it's a drop-in bed liner, so it does take a little bit of space up on each side. If you didn't have that, it would sit nice and perfect. If for some odd reason it didn't, or if your bed was all beat up and now it's not the perfect shape, you can trim it to fit. Another trick you can do is in these areas where it's bulged up like here, you can lay something heavy down like some pieces of wood or bricks or anything else that you might have, sandbags, and let the truck sit outside on a hot summer day. The sun will heat this up, it'll get nice and hot, and it will actually compress it down, make it more malleable, and it'll take the shape of the bed. One more tip I have for you is to periodically remove this, or at least lift it up and clean underneath it, because assuming you didn't have anything protecting the paint on the bed, dirt and debris will get trapped in there, water will collect, it'll keep moisture, and it will rot over time. So make sure you clean it underneath periodically to avoid all of that. Another thing you could do to prevent this, or at least slow this down, is to spray a thin layer of bed liner. They make them in a can, and that will actually add another thick layer of protection between the paint, or the bare metal I should say, and the bed liner. There you go, that's all I had for you.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.